Now, Ajay, my first question is that I have a capital gain. I had purchased some house in 2000, in last year, 2007, and this year I sold it, and I had a capital gain of 1 lakh rupees. Is there any way this is capital gain? Which kind of capital gain? Last year I purchased the house, this year I sold it out. This is short-term capital gain. Now, is there any way I can save the tax liability on this capital gain?
No, yes, sir.
What is the way out?
Section 54 F.
What should I do? What should I do?
For this purpose, you will purchase another house.
Is it applicable for short-term capital gain also?
Yes, sir.
So I should buy another house, and I will be able to avail of, because my task is I have to minimize this capital gain.
Yes.
Income tax on this capital gain has to be minimized somehow or other. Another thing is that I had purchased a house in 2000 and now I sold it and got capital gain of 1 lakh rupees. This is long-term capital gain.
Yes, sir.
Now I have to minimize my tax liability on this also. So how do I do it?
Same thing, sir.
Same thing, buy another house
Another house
or buy
agriculture.
agricultural land or
Buy boats.
Boats. Bonds, okay, government bonds.
In 54
Okay.
EC.
Huh?
54 EC.
Okay, what else can I do?
When you sold the house, then for the amount of rupees you will purchase bonds.
So I can buy government bonds
Yeah.
which are specified for this purpose, and then I can minimize my tax liability.
Yes.
Now coming to salary. I get salary which is, let's say, 25 lakhs plus DA plus HRA. DA 50%, HRA is 20%. Right? Now, the employer has given me an option. Employer wants to reimburse the salary, the fees of my student, my children, or the employer wants to give me cash so that I can get my children educated. Which option is better for me?
So reimbursement or another one is?
They will give me some cash amount, let's say 1000 rupees per month, towards the fees of my children. Which is better?
Second one, sir.
Second one is better. Reimbursement will be taxable.
Yes, sir.
And in this case, how much will I get rebate? If the employer is giving me 1000 rupees per month for each child,
Yes,
so how much income tax department will permit me to keep it as tax free?
If the school is related to the employer, then 1000 per month is exempted.
Yeah, but if the school is not related to employer, then it will not be 100% tax free. Then how much will it be free?
It is taxable, sir. It is
No.
a facility, it is requested, so it is taxable.
It will be taxable, 100%.
Yes, sir.
No 200 rupees, 300 rupees, nothing.
Nothing.
So it will all be taxable.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then coming to another feature that we want to get here is that employer has given me two options. I can own my own car, use that car, and employer will give me car allowance.
Yes, sir.
That is one thing, car allowance.
Car.
Another option is employer will provide me the car, which a taxi facility. In this case, reimbursement will be there. So which option is better? There are two options. One is the employer.
First option is better because the company providing a car, and the company is liable to pay the FBTs and no.
No, that is second option. Taxi facility, you mean to say.
But
In the first facility, I am.
reimbursement, na?
Yeah,
That is
reimbursement.
taxable, sir. That is company or not?
You mean to say that if the company is making reimbursement of my travel expenditure, that is taxable?
Company is making reimbursement,
Yeah.
then nothing. Then company is liable to pay the FBT. Employee is not liable to pay any tax.
That's what I was saying. And the first option was I own my car and the company gives me car allowance.
Yes, sir.
So which is better? Car allowance is better or keeping
Company's car is better, sir.
company's car is better? Car allowance will be taxable.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question that was there before me was about business and profession, right? And agriculture also. So let us first talk about business and profession, right? Now I have some expenditure. Now you have to tell me whether they are deductible in the income tax or not, right? The first expenditure that I have incurred, in business expenditure, there are certain expenditure in my business. These expenditures, whether they are deductible or not, that is my question. Now, one expenditure is connected with the advertisement. We have incurred a heavy advertisement.
Relating to political parties?
No, our own business. What is that deductible or not?
It is allowed, sir.
It is allowed. Heavy advertisement. No problem. Okay, then we have given some donation to political party. So donation is given to political party. Of course, the political parties are registered. There is no problem.
Disallowed.
So is it allowed or not?
Disallowed.
It is disallowed. Okay. Then we have some other expenditure like there is another firm. We have tried to give support to that firm, but that firm is located in the United States. We have borne the expenditure incurred by that particular firm in our firm. So is that allowed or not allowed? You are not sure? That will not be allowed because that is not connected to this business. Only expenditure connected with our business will be allowed. Right? Okay, we have briefly taken up 4 issues: salary, capital gain, business and profession. Salary means all the emoluments, money or money's worth, which are paid to the employee. They are clubbed together. They must be to the employee. Right? Coming to capital gain, any capital gain means if you have sold out some assets in the market, if you have sold out some securities in the market, if it is after 3 years, then it is long term, and if it is for less than 3 years, then it is short term. Except in case of shares, when it is 1 year, it is treated as, if it is less than 1 year, then short term, and if it is more than 1 year, then it is long term. Then third thing we have discussed is business and profession. Only income and expenditure related to the business are taken into account in income or expenditure of business and profession. So you are not going to allow expenditure incurred on political party. If you are incurring an expenditure which is donation to political party, that will not be allowed.